Hi guys, my name is Anne. I'm going to be letting you know about how to become a money magnet in 3 simple ways. First of all, you start by asking yourself the question, what if I had only 6 months to live? Who would I care about? Where would I live? What would I do? Such question gives you perspective into what you want out of your life. Then you decide, then whose story am I living? We get influenced by how we were brought up by our caregivers or our parents, and so you need to find out what the beliefs they had, or the way they looked at life, if it's affecting you. So you ask yourself, are you living your life, or or do you want to live a life of abundance? So you'd ask yourself, I have a few notes. You'd ask yourself, what story am I living? What story do you want to start living now? So when you ask yourself those questions, it gives you purpose. Yes. Then the next thing you'll try and find out is finding your purpose. Finding your purpose is right now where you are. Do you appreciate the things you have? Do you appreciate the roof you have? Do you appreciate when someone goes to buy you some lunch or something? That are you grateful for that deed, or are you always looking for problems or something like that? Do you find purpose in the little things that happen to you? Are you grateful? Do you find gratitude in the little you have, with the people you know? That's how you find abundance. And now the most important part is finding your purpose. You find your purpose. Tap into your purpose. You find what you are passionate about. That is basically what it is. And when you do that, you find your mission. Your purpose is your mission. Then you have motion. That's movement, action, taking action. Then when you find motion, you find momentum. When you find momentum, you also find magnetism. And from magnetism, that's how you attract money. So it is your mission, you have motion, you have momentum, and you have magnetism. Then you get the money. That is how it comes. So if you want to learn more about that, there's a book by the lady. She's called Amber Lily Strom. I don't know if I pronounce it properly, but that's how it is. The book is called Master Your Money Mind. She goes into deeper details. I just wanted to give you a small info about what it's all about and how it will help you. So if you want to dig deeper into it, you can get the book. It is at I'll put a link below, and then you can, if you want it. I am not an affiliate to it, just helping you guys out. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about what I'm learning and how it can help you, you can subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when I post. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.